In this video, I will be showing you how to run your first TypeScript program in Visual Studio Code. So for this, we need to have Node.js installed, and of course we must have Visual Studio Code installed. So let's begin with Node.js installation. So just Google Node.js, and here we will be having the download link. Click it, and in this downloads page, here we can change the Node.js version of our choice, and here we are having for other operating system also. If you just scroll down, here we are having two options. One is Windows installer and another one is standalone binary. I will just go with the Windows installer one. So this will download the setup file. It is about 31 MB in size. Just be patient till then. Once it is complete, just open it, and we'll be getting this Node.js setup. Click on next. I accept, select next, and this is going to be the default location where Node.js is getting installed. If you want to change it, you can click on change to change it. Once you have done that, click on next, and these are fine. Just leave it to default. Select next, next, and click on install. That's it. Within few seconds we will be getting Node.js has been successfully installed. Just click on finish, and now open command prompt. So just go to search and open it. Here just run the command node space hyphen hyphen version and hit enter. So as you can see, I have got the exact same version that I have installed. So if I run the command node, we'll be getting the node shell over here. Here we can run any JavaScript code. And for installing Visual Studio Code, it's going to be so straightforward, and I really hope you are having it already. If you don't have, just search for Visual Studio Code and click on the first link and click the option download for Windows. If you want a brief tutorial on that, you can just click on the card that is appearing on top. Now just open a new folder, and here make sure that you're creating a new file. Click this icon. Let me just name it as new file.ts. Okay, so this is going to be the TypeScript extension. For JavaScript, it's going to be .js. Now we need to install the TypeScript package. Okay, so it's an npm command that we need to run. Go to terminal, new terminal, and just run this command, which is going to be npm space install space -g space TypeScript. Just hit enter. This will basically install the TypeScript package. Now in this new file, just go and run your basic TypeScript program. So here I'm having my sample TypeScript code, and now first we need to compile this TypeScript to JavaScript. For that we will be using tsc space your file name. In my case it is new file.ts. We are having a new file.js automatically created after we run this command. So if I open it, here we will be having the exact same code but written in JavaScript. Now to run this, it's going to be node space new file.js. Okay, and we are getting the answer as 5. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Learn a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.